Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the app that enables live wallpapers and ensuring Windows will let it run on the lock screen. Download and install a reputable live wallpaper program, then grant it necessary permissions when prompted so it can access background and lock screen hooks. Once installed, open the app and pick a lightweight animated wallpaper to test. Choose one with low CPU/GPU impact to avoid battery or performance issues. Make sure automatic updates are enabled for stability. Now configure the app to apply the wallpaper specifically to the lock screen. In Settings, select Lock Screen as the target display and assign your chosen wallpaper profile. Tune performance options, cap FPS, reduce resolution, and enable battery saver modes to prevent heavy load. Then enable startup and background permissions so the service is available before you lock the PC. Once done, save settings and use the app's preview or built-in test lock to verify the animation. Finish by locking your PC to confirm the live wallpaper appears on the lock screen. If it does, you're done. If it doesn't, make sure the app has lock screen and background app permissions in Windows settings and that focus assist or battery saver isn't blocking visuals. Once checked, restart the wallpaper app and, if necessary, restart Windows to apply permission changes. As a troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, reset the app settings or reinstall it to clear corrupted configuration files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.